Two-factor authentication, not working on eToro app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the eToro app, don't panic. This happens to many traders, especially after updates or device changes. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. Start by checking your phone's clock. Go into settings and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, and even being off by a few seconds can cause a mismatch with eToro's servers. Next, make sure your eToro app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes struggle to communicate with the login verification system. You can update it through the App Store or Google Play in just a few taps. If you're not receiving your SIM's code, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and turning off your phone. Some networks block automated messages for security reasons, and this simple change often solves the problem. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it, tap Settings and choose Sync Time for Codes. That action refreshes your code generator and ensures it's perfectly aligned with eToro's system. If your phone is still failing, log out, uninstall the eToro app and reinstall it. This clears old cache files that might be interfering with authentication. When you reinstall, set up your two-factor authentication again carefully. And if you've changed phones or can't access your authenticator anymore, tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen to start eToro's secure account recovery process. You'll need to verify your identity, but it's straightforward and protects your funds. Once your time, app and authenticator are all in sync, your two-factor authentication should work smoothly again. Remember, FO is one of the strongest defenses for your trading account. It might be frustrating when it doesn't work, but fixing it keeps your portfolio safe from unauthorized access and potential fraud.